I'll be in the TV room. The next thing out of this box is this. And this disc has seen a lot of life. For example, like this, the sleeve itself is just devastated. It's been notched, probably with scissors. There's a notch. There's even an extra notch out of the top, and I'm not sure why. And this is side 1. This is side 2. Verbatim something. Disc 1, side 2, version 4. I don't even know what this is from. It may or may not be Commodore related. But I do remember, another thing to look at, like seeing how it's used. Look at that. You can see there's a lot of use, but there are lines on the disc, and also on the back there are lines on the disc. Hello. Anyway, this disc has seen a lot of life. It has. But who knows? We used to use only verbatim discs on the Bradley Brothers bulletin board system because they were great. There's even a hole right through the middle of the thing. Maybe it was used to hang up. Anyway, I don't know. So, thanks for coming. Next time, we'll see what else is in this box. Have a lovely, 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 lovely day. David Bradley, signing off. Bye for now.